Welcome back to Rami's Bar. Today we're going to be doing a watermelon mint cooler. A very refreshing drink, very great drink for the last days of summer that we still have. We're going to be needing our Blanco Tequila. We're going to be using Teremana Tequila that we've used already in a separate video called the Sugar-Free Paloma. Shout out to Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. And we're going to be needing 2 ounces of a watermelon. I got this nice cute little watermelon we're going to be cutting soon. 5 to 6 mint leaves, half a lime, and mint spring for garnish. That being said, let's start. First thing we're going to do is going to add half a lime into our drink. And then we're going to add all our mint leaves, 5 to 6 mint leaves in there. Now to activate the mint and the oils on the mint leaves, we're going to muddle this combination just a little bit, just to, like I said, activate those mint leaves. Once that's done, we're going to be adding our 1.5 ounces of Teremana Tequila. Now that we got everything in there, we're going to need to add our 2 ounces of watermelon juice. So let's get that done. Now that we have our watermelon, 2 ounces of it, we're going to simply add that to our shaker. Finally, we're going to add some ice in there. Once we get our drink all nice and ready, we're going to have to double strain our drink into a nice flute glass. So to do so, you're going to need a regular strainer and a very fine strainer. Make sure you don't spill. And strain drink right into that nice flute glass in there. It gives that nice red watermelon color. Refreshing and summery. So that's all said and done. You add the little mint spring at the bottom for your garnish, and there you have it. Nice watermelon mint cooler. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and please share for whoever you think would like a drink like this one. Cheers.